Hi friends, this is Maria Palito. Today I'm going to draw a cute flower with a little bee using an iPad and the app Procreate. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my drawing videos. I am using 2000 by 2000 pixels Canva for the drawing. Let's get started. For the top of the flower, I am doing a round section using dark pink. I love doing drawings with easy shapes like this one. For the petals, I am using a darker pink for the line and a light color for the filling. Draw one petal and make copies for the other ones. For this drawing, I am using the middle line brush from my line brushes available in my shop. You can also use the monoline brush from Procreate. Make sure to adjust the shapes if needed. Make a kawaii face for the flower with light pink cheeks. For the petal details, I am using a pressure-sensitive brush called a Smooth Brush, also available in my shop. Or you can use any other brush. This is my favorite brush for inking and drawing compact shapes. For the stem, I am using a dark green line with a lighter green for the filling. With the smooth inking brush, I am drawing a leaf. Add some little details so your leaf looks richer. Once you have the first leaf ready, you can create a copy and reduce the size to make it more dynamic. For the bee, create a long shape in yellow and fill it with the same color. Then create some lines in the body in a darker yellow. For the wings, I am using light blue and reducing the opacity to make them almost transparent. Draw some details to your bee like a round eye, legs, and a cute pink smile. If you feel that I'm going too fast, just stop or slow down the video to follow my strokes. You can also add some black lines on top of the body. Add some shadows and lights to your drawing using a texture brush. This is my favorite moment when I'm drawing. Adding shadows helps the drawing to look richer and more vibrant. If you don't have an iPad, you can also draw this little flower using a piece of paper and some pencils. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to continue practicing drawing with me, just check more videos in the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. See you next time. Bye!